channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. If you guys have been following my social media, you'll probably see I listed the car for sale. Yep, I put it on the chopping block. Was it a tough decision? Yes. Did it make me sick to my stomach listing it? Yes. But keep watching and I'll explain why. So I took the car off of the quick jack so I could get some pictures for Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace, and just so I could list it online. And I didn't want to have the pictures where the car was hanging up in the air, because I can't imagine that's going to look very good or sell the car. So I'm going to put it back up on the quick jacks, and then we'll have a discussion of why I'm going to sell the car and why I'm thinking about it. Before we put the car back up on quick jacks, Rich on TikTok asked me if I would do a close-up video and show all of you guys how the front splitter looks on the car, how it's placed. He just wants to see a bit more on the front splitter. So Rich, this is for you. I'll show you some close-ups of the splitter installed and what it looks like on my car. So here is the front splitter installed on the car. You can see I trimmed it so it comes flush out, and it comes out about 3 inches from the front bumper. There's the rods. I still have to trim these bolts off because when I air out, they actually hit the ground. There you go, Rich. There's the close-up of the splitter installed in the car. If you want any more pictures or video, DM me on Instagram at HQ_BMW, and I can get you more pictures and video and anything that you want. I have to say an overwhelming thank you to everybody on TikTok. We're almost at 20,000 followers on TikTok. That's incredible. You guys are all amazing. I greatly appreciate all of your guys' support. All the positive vibes and comments are just overwhelming, and it's amazing. The social media world is fantastic. But enough chit chat. Let's get this car back up on the quick jacks and back in the air. Boom! She's back up on the lift. Super quick, 20 minutes. It's very simple. These quick jacks are a lifesaver, and they're so fast. They're way better than trying to use a jack and a jack stands and get it back in the air. This is way easier. So why did I list the F30 for sale? Here is my thought process. I have two of them. One, for you guys. New project, new build, new content, new subscribers. Trying to grow the YouTube channel. That's what I'm trying to do. So a new project probably could drive more potential views and subscribers. The other major reason is this year's car show season for 2020 is in the dumps because of the whole coronavirus and everything that's going on. I'm not sure there's gonna be a really good show season. If I sell Quinn and get a new project, then there's gonna be new content for 2020, and then I can do a big release for 2021. Fingers crossed that show season is in full swing and full effect for 2021. But that's kind of my thought process, and that's what I kind of thought about, and I discussed it with my wife over Sunday morning breakfast, and we both agreed, why not list it and see what happens with it. I've got a lot of comments on Instagram and Facebook of people quite upset with me listing and selling the car, but once I kind of provide those answers, a lot of you guys understood, and you know, which I'm grateful for. I'm glad you guys understand and can see where I'm coming from. I've had a lot of comments on Instagram and Facebook where people are upset that I'm selling the F30, but once I explain it to them, they really understand and they get it, which I'm super grateful for. And the other question I have been getting unreal is, what am I getting next? I have honestly no clue. I haven't even started looking. It's really going to depend if this car sells. If it doesn't sell, I'm okay with that as well. We still have a lot we could do to it in wide bodying it and new wheels, and there is a lot we can do. However, the more I do to it, the smaller the window is for people that would be interested in buying it. So I thought, plain white, it's going to appeal to more people. It's clean. It's ready to go. If you want a show car and you just want a turnkey, award-winning show car, it's right behind me. It's ready to go, and you can take it right to a show. No questions. As if you guys have been following the vlog, you'll know that. There you have it. I've got no idea what we're going to get next, or if we're even going to get anything next. It's going to be epic and a step above the F30. The F30 is a fantastic platform. You guys know how much I love this car laid out on the ground, but maybe it's time for a change. I'm not sure. Testing the waters. We'll see what happens. Until then, I'll keep building it and finishing off the modifications that I said to you guys I would keep doing. I just wanted to touch base and let you guys kind of know what's going on, what my thought processes were. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys think selling the F30 is the right or the wrong thing to do. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Send me a DM on Instagram and we can have a chat about it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe.